Here are top 3 Android antivirus apps you should use right now. Consider installing today for better mobile security and privacy protection. At number 3, we've got Bitdefender Mobile Security and Antivirus, a powerhouse app with a 4.7 out of 5 rating and over 10 million installs worldwide. Key features: this isn't just a basic antivirus. It's a full protection system for your phone. It scans apps, files, and downloads in real time to catch viruses, malware, ransomware, and even sneaky adware before they can do damage. It also protects you online with advanced web security, blocking dangerous websites, phishing links, and scam pages that try to steal your personal info. One of its standout features is scam protection. It scans messages, notifications, and chat apps for risky links so you don't fall for fake offers or fraud traps. And there's more: call blocking stops spam and scam calls automatically, while identity protection alerts you if your email or passwords show up in data leaks. It's an 8-time AV Test Award winner for Best Android Security Product. And it does all this while staying light on battery usage. Plus, it even includes VPN access for extra privacy on public Wi-Fi. Number 2, we've got Norton 360, one of the most powerful mobile protection tools trusted worldwide, with a 4.2 rating and over 50 million installs. This isn't just a basic antivirus. It uses AI-powered protection to fight modern cyber threats in real time. From malware scanning to instant virus removal, it actively protects your device while you use it. What makes it stand out is the Scam Protection Pro system. It checks your emails, texts, websites, and even calls, blocking suspicious activity before it reaches you. That means fewer phishing scams and way more peace of mind. It also includes a secure VPN, giving you encrypted internet access so hackers can't track your online activity, especially on public Wi-Fi. And there's more: safe SMS filters, spam texts, safe web blocks dangerous sites, and dark web monitoring alerts you if your personal info gets exposed online. Plus, Norton Genie acts like a smart AI assistant that helps you identify scams instantly. So if you want all-in-one protection for your phone, privacy, and identity, this app is a serious game changer. Finally, number 1, we've got Avast One, one of the most powerful all-in-one security apps on Android. With a 4.5 rating and over 100 million installs, this app is trusted by millions worldwide. It doesn't just stop viruses, it actively protects you 24/7 from malware, spyware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. Its AI-powered Scam Guardian helps detect fake links, scam messages, and dangerous websites before you even click. You also get a built-in VPN to hide your online activity, secure Wi-Fi protection to stop hackers on public networks, and a cleanup tool that removes junk files to speed up your phone. Why it's useful? What makes it stand out is how everything is combined in one app: security, privacy, and performance. Instead of installing multiple apps, you get full protection in one place. That's the list. Drop your favorite antivirus app in the comments and make sure your phone stays safe, secure, and protected always.